Hello friends, I'm Naveen, and welcome to Blue Orange Techies. In this video, I'll show you how to create a developer org for free so that you can practice Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning related stuff. Open a web browser tab and visit the URL https://developer.salesforce.com/signup. Here, you'll find a form that you need to fill out with your details to create your developer org. You can pick a particular role and name your company. Select your country and choose a username in the form of an email ID. This will be your username for your Salesforce Developer Org. After filling out the form, click Sign Me Up. Now, you'll receive a verification email at your email ID mentioned in the form. Check your email and click on the verification button. You'll be asked to set a password. Fill in the password and confirm it. Also, select a security question and answer it. Now, you can access your Salesforce Developer Org by logging in with your username and password. Visit the URL login.salesforce.com and enter your username and password. You'll be able to practice Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning. If you want to log out, click the Log Out button at the top right corner of the Developer Org. To log in again, visit the URL login.salesforce.com and enter your username and password. I hope you understood how to create a Salesforce Developer Org and log in and out of it. Keep watching my videos related to Salesforce to become a Salesforce administrator or Salesforce developer. Thank you for watching this video.